Welcome to the second video of the series Golang for Java developers. In this video, we compare basic features like data types, conditionals, loops, and more. Both the languages have data types to represent real-world information like numbers, strings, booleans. Go has more variants of integer to represent signed and unsigned ones that vary on the number of bits used to represent it. Additionally, Go also has a data type to represent complex numbers. While variable declaration and initialization in Go look quite similar to Java, Go also supports a syntax to declare and initialize simultaneously without having to specify the type using := syntax as shown. Also, note that expressions in Go do not end in semicolon. The syntax of an if-else statement looks almost the same in both the languages, except there are no braces around the condition next to if in Go, and a new variable can be initialized in the if statement whose scope is the entire if-else block. Look at how nowSex variable is initialized in the if statement and used in the corresponding if and else conditions. Both languages have the same logical operators to and or negate logical expressions. Both languages have similar syntax for a for loop, except there are no braces after for statement in Go. The semantics of break and continue statements are exactly the same. Unlike Java, Go does not have a while loop. It is created using a for loop as shown with just the conditional statement. Switch case is very similar in both the languages, and even the case statements are evaluated top to bottom. However, similar to if statements in Go, new variables can be initialized in switch statements and their scope is the entire switch case block. Unlike Java, we don't need to add a break statement at the end of each case block. It gets added automatically behind the scenes. Also, cases in Go needn't be constants or integers unlike Java. Look at how the second case statement in the example is invoking a function as its value. Also, note that since case statements are evaluated top to bottom, os.getEnv in the second case statement would not get invoked in our example if the first case matches. That is, if the value of the num type environment variable is even. In the next video, we shall compare and discuss various aspects of defining functions in both the languages. Please don't forget to leave your feedback in the comments and hit a like if you like the content.